we're talking about safety with resistance welding, there's several elements that we have to be aware of. One is pinch points. That can be from moving electrode, moving components of the tooling, maybe the clamps we're using, nut feeder spears, welding machine arms, seam welding wheels, the seam welding drive shafts. All are components we need to be concerned about for pinch points. We also have to worry about expulsion. That's that sparking we sometimes get. What about the hot metal? When we make that resistance weld, we're going to have a hot spot. We also have to be concerned about a powerful magnetic field that's generated in AC. Sharp edges of the metal we're using, maybe fumes from the coating that's on the surface. We also have to be worried about the automated motion devices, robots, nut feeders, the clamps and the tooling, the unloader devices, and the spark deflector gates or shield. So be sure to follow the safety training provided by your employer on the resistance welding equipment you'll be using. TJ Snow Company can help with your safety program and your resistance welding training needs. Just go to our website at tjsnow.com.